Imagine trading Forex with someone else's money. Sounds amazing, right? Here's how you can do it. Forex trading requires capital, but did you know you could trade using someone else's money? Becoming a funded trader with companies like FTMO or Funding Traders means you get access to real capital. First, master the basics: technical analysis, risk management, and market trends. Practice on a demo account, study price movements, and refine your strategy. Next, pick a funding program that aligns with your goals. FTMO and Funding Traders offer real capital in exchange for solid performance and risk management. Most funding programs have an evaluation process to ensure traders can manage real capital. Passing these phases is your ticket to becoming a funded trader. Focus on steady returns, follow a trading plan, and avoid emotional trading. A solid risk management plan is essential. Track each trade and review your progress. Once you pass the evaluation, congratulations. You're now a funded trader with access to real capital. Stick to your strategy and keep building your account. Ready to take the first step? Click the link to start your funding account and embark on your exciting journey as a funded trader.